The Somali STEM Society, in partnership with UNIDO and with generous support from the Italian Agency for Development Cooperation, came together to offer a Training of Trainers course to introduce principles of mechanical and software engineering to STEM trainees serving youth in Somali K-12 education. First, we attracted motivated and qualified candidates to become STEM trainers. Next, we sought to supply these trainers with essential technical proficiency for the LEGO Mindstorms EV3 platform. Finally, we invited these trainers to help shape the pedagogy and the outreach strategy for ongoing STEM education in Somalia. The STEM trainees who participated in the program were recruited by the Somali STEM Society from different regions of Somalia. In order to become better instructors themselves, the STEM trainees received hands-on experience with engaging activities from a student's perspective. In Phase 1, we covered basic lessons that equipped the STEM trainees with a comprehensive understanding of the potential of the EV3 platform. In Phase 2, we focused on letting the STEM trainees apply what they learned in Phase 1 into their own creative, self-directed project. This course culminated in an independent demonstration of all of the concepts learned in one final project by each of the 3 teams. The success of each project was demonstrated at graduation in front of the program sponsors. Certificates of completion were then distributed among the STEM trainees at the end. The training program was concluded successfully with all of the STEM trainees taking an active part.